Welcome to the second floor. Open mic night at the Fookie Lounge. Pull up, subscribe and vibe. BBL Drizzy, BBL Drizzy, BBL Drizzy, oh, BBL Drizzy. It's where you when I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him when you got the aim. What's the aim? I'm thicker than a snicker, I'm thicker than your ninja. Don't act like you don't know me, these yams deserve a trophy. The yam is the power that be. You can smell it when I'm walking down the street. Oh yes we can, oh yes we can. When you got the yams, baby, it ain't no mystery. Got the best BBL in history. This cake will make you show up. I know you see this glow up. But a rapper with a ghost rider, what the fuck happened? Oh no, I swore I wouldn't tell, but most of y'all sharing bars like you got the bottom bunk in a two-man cell. Something's in the water, something's in the water. And if I got a brown nose for some gold, then I'd rather be a bum than a motherfucking baller. Certified lover boy, certified pedo. Wop, 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 fluck 'em up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? BBL Drizzy, they not like us. BBL Drizzy, they not like us. BBL Drizzy, they not like us. Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. I'm thicker than a sticker. These yams deserve a trophy. This cake will make you show up. You can smell it when I'm walking down the street. You think that they gon' let you disrespect Pac Ninja? I think that Oakley show gon' be your last stop, ninja. Decode file, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Ninjas and bird just go. The audience not dumb. Shake the stories how you want. Hey, Dre, and not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. BBL Drizzy, they not like us. BBL Drizzy, they not like us. Ooh, BBL Drizzy, they not like us. Yeah. This cake gon' make you show. Jumping. You ninjas will get away if you flip over your boxers. What OBO for the upper vaginal option? Ninja better straighten they pops. They got payments all over big time. And don't act like you don't know me. These jams deserve a trophy.